Hello guys, welcome to LNC Pro. In this video we will see the difference between contract of indemnity and contract of guarantee. I am Ratnesh Parikh. So let's start. Indemnity and guarantee both are different things. Indemnity is a contract where one party promises to compensate another party for the losses, whereas guarantee is a contract in which one party promises to discharge the liability of a third person in case of his default. Number of parties is also different in both the contracts. There are two parties in a contract of indemnity. First party is indemnifier, second party is indemnified. Indemnifier is the person who promises to save another party, and indemnified is the person who is saved from the losses. And in a contract of guarantee there are three parties, that is creditor, principal debtor and surety. Now let's see the difference on the basis of nature of liability. The liability of indemnifier is primary, but the liability of surety is secondary because principal debtor is primarily liable. Liability of the parties arises at different times. Liability of an indemnifier arises only on the happening of a contingency or loss. But the liability of surety is already in existence but crystallizes on the default of principal debtor. In a contract of indemnity, indemnifier cannot sue a third party for the loss in his own name because there is no privity of contract. But a surety can sue principal debtor in his own name because he gets all the rights of a creditor after discharging the debts. Purpose of both the contracts are also different. Purpose of indemnity is reimbursement of losses, but a contract of guarantee is for the security of the creditor. Now let's see competency to the contract. In a contract of indemnity, all the parties must be competent to contract. But in a case of guarantee, a minor can also be a principal debtor. In a contract of indemnity, there is only one contract which is between indemnifier and indemnified. But on the other hand, there are three contracts in a contract of guarantee. That is between creditor and principal debtor, between creditor and surety, and between surety and principal debtor. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. If you like our videos, share it with your friends and comment your suggestions. You can follow us for lectures on law subjects, company secretary, chartered accountant, cost and management accounts and much more. Thank you.